Now I'm on the streets all alone. Shiver running down in my ripped jeans. It was cold in the dark, I kept my promise. Never going back.
Dancy Akufum Obuasi in the Ashanti region of Ghana. Anna involved the defense minister, which is Honorable Edward Omane Boama. Sounds involved Mr. Samuel Sapon, Mr. Samuel Abuaje, and other 5 men are now or more on board. And they 15th August 2025 and the day or more a bass and say, do my shares when I say, the state's funeral at the Mao and for when you beshe any person may catch you like tears, and so plum nipa when the family, the kids, and the wife were reading the tributes of their beloved ones. And it's so produce like tears. And you pay soon. Because they didn't expect. Oma expected that. This was like it was a shock. Me and I understand. Oma expected that. This was like it was a shock. Me and I understand that. I have been in that condition before, so I understand their tears. Charlie, and then they stayed.
Taught us to dream big but stay grounded. You showed us that compassion is the strength, that speaking the truth is an obligation, and that service to others is the greatest clarion call. We'll miss writing with you, laughing with you, sitting with you whenever you had a lull in your schedule. We'll miss talking about our future, hearing your advice, you driving us to school all the time, especially when we had exams. Daddy, why did you have to leave us so soon? Never in a million years could we have imagined you'd leave us. You lived your life like a race, always trying to do more, love more, and share more. We really thought you'd live forever because your light was so bright it could never go out. Omane, why?
So yes, that was it. That was it. Any pay soon. That was it. So and then the baby the berry, a state barrier, a state funeral, I could see or more the military cemetery or Accra, Ghana. Yes. So Black Star Square, and so Accra, Ghana, a bang the Accra Sports Stadium. So when you more any easy people were out, Charlie. Me what they pay me cry sector. Accra na on a boama, a boano, I'll create a surgery. Oh, Charlie, you know be easy sector, Charlie. May God strengthen you at it. Hey. When you're a boy for say pana, one can be ashamed as your call. It's not easy, it's not like yeah. You just put yourself in their shoes, you don't say. I don't know, my crowd, I had the studios. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, put S on post notifications, we are on mixing any of our daily upload. My crowd, bye bye.